Ready to finally book that dream vacation but need to add a payment method to your Booking.com account? We've got you covered. First, navigate to Booking.com and log into your account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once you're logged in, look for the account icon, usually located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it to open the account menu. In the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to your account management page. On the Account Settings page, look for a section labeled Credit Cards or Wallet. The exact wording may vary slightly, but it will be related to payment information. Click on that section. Now, you'll see an option to add a new credit card or add a payment method. Click on that. A form will appear where you need to enter your payment details. This includes your card number, expiry date, the CVC code, which is the 3 or 4-digit security code on the back of your card, and the cardholder's name. Booking.com also often supports alternative payment methods like PayPal. If you prefer to use PayPal, look for the PayPal option and follow the on-screen instructions to link your PayPal account. Once you've entered all the required information, double-check everything to ensure it's accurate. Then, click the Save or Submit button to add the payment method to your account. Your new payment method should now be visible in your list of saved payment options. You're all set to book your next adventure. Enjoy your travels, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful Booking.com tips and tricks.